Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is completely dedicated to my true guider and well-wisher Sunil bro. So in this video we must try to explore the best as we can. So watch the video till the end and please do not skip the video. For more video updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Today we spotting a beautiful place in the Vizag city, which is 13 km away from the BC Road Gajuaka, and it was very closer to Gangavaram port. The chemical wastage passes through this canal. This is completely off-roading, especially for bikers can visit this place as many times as they can. We cross the steel plant Balcharu gate and moving towards Gangavaram beach. It was approximately 28 km far from airport and 26 km far from Visakhapatnam railway station. Especially I recommend personal vehicle is the best. Public transport arrangements are not developed till now. Carry your own foodstuffs because there is no any shops. Full road trip with refreshing air will blow our mind into a peaceful world. Gangavaram beach specialty is Madhav Swami temple and Amavari Devalayam. The guest house is specially for the Movie Artist Association. Many years ago, the shooting spot of Indian films. Glory faded slowly with time. This time to visit little scary for us. For picnic spot and family gathering, this is the peaceful and the best place in Vizag. You can shoot a complete cinematic shots in this place, wedding photography, reels and etc. The perfect weekend gateway for complete day excursion is Gangavaram beach. It invites people to enjoy the delightful experience far away from the stressful city life. The reality of this place is it provides a secular atmosphere to relax and rejuvenate your mind in its picture perfect surrounding. The perfect atmosphere and the beautiful place to visit with your families in a weekend holidays. So morning time is best, night time is little scary to visit this place. Enjoy with your family members and bachelor parties with friends. I have a mini attachment with this place. I randomly come to this place and I enjoy thoroughly. The Amavari Devalayam and the Madhav Swami temple, basically they celebrate their festival in 2 months, February and March, and which gives a wonderful experience. The culture and tradition are awesome. It was surpriseful. In the starting of the year, Naga Purnami festival they celebrate in a very high level. It's time for experiment. Let's see what I'm doing. It's very funny. The golden soft sand and the green trees, you can feel like heaven. And just see the delta region, it connects to the beach. The complete flowing of water is just amazing. The bridge and the pillar is very hard. Let's do some experiment. Oh my leg. So just we are visiting the top of the hill and see, I'll show you a port area. So this is the port area and this is the tanker. So this is the steps. We can go as I like getting pain. So in this shortcut way, we just choose our destiny. So cinematic view, it was amazing. Evening time, the sunset time is very amazing. You can shoot video or what else you like. I'll show you the 360 view on the top of the hill. The the most important point is many of the people specially come to experience the heavyweight stone is just standing on the tip of the rock from many years ago. The temple is under construction. The repairing work is going on. So we are on the top of the hill and see the 360 view of Gangavaram beach. This is the port area where coal storage they keep. So we choose steps to come down. So this is the easy process. So see the Venkateswara Swami symbol on the small rocks. It looks a pretty look. So it's called a little peninsula. The three side water, the one side land. It was really amazing. So please do like, share and subscribe, and please keep supporting. Your love, Vivek Pandey.